Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix the situation if you have Control Center is not displayed on the lock screen on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So let's get down to our topic. And you will need to go into the phone settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down a little bit, find the Face ID password section, and go into that. And you'll need to enter your password or unlock thanks to Face ID. Next, scroll down a little bit more until you find this section here, which is called Window Access Permission. And this is where you'll easily find the Control Center. And as you can see, it's disabled. And in order to activate it, you just need to enable this button right here in front of the Control Center. And then it will already be displayed on your lock screen on your iPhone. Friends, I hope this video helped you and was useful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.